latest daily weather forecast issued by Pag-asa. This day, November 24, 2016, 5 a.m. So we have a tropical cyclone has been developed. Since yesterday, the low pressure area near Mindanao, the Invest 98W, has been upgraded to tropical depression, receiving the name Marce. So let's see the latest daily weather forecast issued by Pag-asa. Okay. Today at 4 a.m. the center of tropical depression Marce was estimated based on all available data at 240 kilometers east-northeast of Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. This tropical depression has a maximum sustained winds of 45 kilometers near the center and gustiness up to 55 kilometers per hour. It's forecast to move west-northwest at 17 kilometers per hour. The latest satellite image by Pag-asa, we see a cloud activity or a thunderstorm will bring, especially here at eastern section of Mindanao and all parts of Mindanao later this day. Rainy with gusty wind will prevail over Caraga, Central Visayas, Negros Island region, and the provinces of Misamis Oriental, Camiguin, and Southern Leyte. Cloudy skies with moderate to occasionally heavy rains and thunderstorm which may trigger possible flash flood and landslide will be experienced over Davao region, rest of eastern Visayas, and the northern Mindanao. Cloudy skies with light to moderate rains and thunderstorm are expected over the Bicol region, Palawan, and rest of Visayas and Mindanao. And partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorm will prevail over Metro Manila and the rest of Luzon. So, northeast monsoon has started to burst. So, Pag-asa issued gale warning. So, sea travel risky. So, gale warning has been issued due to northeast monsoon. Now, let's see the severe weather bulletin of Pag-asa to tropical depression Marce. This is the latest number, severe weather bulletin number 5 since yesterday has been developed. So, Marce has moved west-northwest while maintaining its strength. Estimated rainfall amount is moderate to heavy within the 200-kilometer diameter of the tropical depression. There are areas in residence and under tropical cyclone warning signal number 1 are alerted because of flash flood and landslide. And also northeast monsoon will bring sea travel is risky and the northern seaboard of northern Luzon. So all the small boat are not able to gale. Expected to make landfall over Surigao provinces tomorrow afternoon or early evening. Expected to exit PAR Monday morning, November 28, 2016. So this is the latest forecast track made by Pag-asa. So tomorrow we have a chance of landfall early morning. Then in Saturday, near the areas of Palawan, will cross Palawan. In Sunday, West Philippine Sea, and in Monday near western border PAR and 29 is possibility na he exit the Philippine area of responsibility. And now this is the latest satellite image. Today, 4 a.m., the center of tropical depression Marce was estimated based on all available data at only 240 kilometers east-northeast of Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. Maximum sustained winds of 45 kilometers per hour near the center and gustiness up to 55 kilometers per hour. Forecast to move west-northwest at 17 kilometers per hour. So, tropical cyclone warning signal number 1 are alerted 30 to 60 kilometers is expected within 36 hours. Southern Leyte, Bohol, Cebu, Siquijor, Negros Oriental, and Negros Occidental in Visayas, Mindanao, Surigao del Norte, including Surigao Islands, Surigao del Sur, Dinagat Island, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Misamis Oriental, and Camiguin. Be ready for this area to experience moderate to heavy rains with gust winds. And guys, this is the latest daily weather forecast made by Pag-asa, and today we have a weather update later to be posted in YouTube. And guys, have a good day and God bless.